So when I watched the video on how to replace my cam position sensor, I was told that this had to come off first. Alright. So I did loosen that already, guys. And then it's gonna come off, okay? I'll put that on later. But these right here, going from the battery, that's a camshaft sensor, and that's a camshaft sensor. And now, when I watch other tutorials, and the other tutorials, I was supposed to replace them in a pair. So I do, when I purchased them, they did come in a pair, but I did get mine from Amazon. So I'll loosen those up. It's pretty loose. Bada boom. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to press on this. Supposedly when I press on this, it comes right off. Whoa. See that? It came right off. Oops. So I gotta try to find that. Where did that go? Hopefully I didn't need that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some oil here. And I'm gonna put on this camshaft sensor. Make sure that's, see? So, this is the old one. I'm gonna put the new one on. Show you guys how I'm gonna do that. Put that in here. Okay. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm feeling any snaps. I'm gonna take the 10mm bolt, put this here, I'm gonna screw it. You have to overdo this now. So this was, my wife said that her car stopped the other day, and then some kind of lights went on, and so when I brought this to Advanced Auto Parts, alright, so this is 10mm. You don't have to do this very tight, but they recommend replacing this in pairs. I think the other one's P0340. Could have that wrong. That's this one over here. I'm gonna do the same thing. So what I did originally is remember I disconnected the negative side of the battery and also took this cover off, which is laying there on the ground. Alright? And that kind of snaps onto these, so I'll do that later. I'm gonna try to get this one off now. Position. I mean, that's how I'm getting this one on. I'm just gonna loosen a little bit. I might better take it off with my hand. And then I just loosen it and unscrew my hands. Bada bing, bada boom. So I ordered this from Amazon because the dealer said that this would be 1,100 job, plus they wanted to do a daggone a scan, and I was like, well, I already did a scan. So I see I got that one out. So I'm gonna take the new one right here, and I'm gonna put some more oil there. So I'm gonna put this over here. Alright, we're doing the oil. I want to take care of my wife for the glory of God, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Take care of my wife. Alright. go. Put this back in. As you can see, I put that back in. I'll show you guys. Give me 1 second. Back in. So I'm gonna take the bolt and tighten it with my fingers. Bada bing, bada boom. Look like some kind of bug is in there, chilling with me. Now I thought these were underneath the car, but they weren't. Praise the Lord. Right, that's tight. And now I'm gonna take the oil. So, cause I don't wanna mess out on this oil. Put that back in there. Put that back on. Right. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna snap that back on. There we go. Alright, got that one on. That one snapped on. Now we gotta tighten this right here. I wanna put this out of here. I don't even know why I need to take that off, to be honest with you. I watched the video on YouTube and that's how they did it, so I followed the directions of that person. But today, this is my video. He did his video, I did my video. So, of course, I gotta tighten this back up. Hopefully, my wife's car works again. You know, I didn't realize I untightened it that much. Boom. Alright. So that's in there now. That one's in there. And so what I did again is I replaced both cam position sensors. And then the reason why I was doing that is because my wife's car just kept stopping on her, and you can't have that. So that's we brought it over to brought it over to Amazon, not Amazon. We brought it over to Advanced Auto Parts. Got the scan that said P0340. Right here, and I'm gonna snap that back on. Right. See, it goes onto this hole. See that? And then this one is gonna snap onto that one right there. Make sure that's all done for all across the side. Go. This one's good. Alright. So I definitely gotta get that. That one's stuck, so I gotta get that off. And then I'm gonna close this up and I'm gonna start the car.